Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how you can hack the Sims mobile and get unlimited resources, simcash and simoleons, as you can see right now that I have on my account. So as you will see, it's a pretty fast and easy hack to do. Everybody can do it and it's free. I will show you right now what you have to do. Open your browser and enter this website, cgames.club/sims. Next, enter your username that you used for your Sims account. Also, you can enter your Gmail account that you are using for your mobile phone. In case you have Android, this is how it works. If you have iOS, simply enter your email associated with your iOS device. Choose anti-ban protection if you want it. Next, select the amount of simcash and simoleons that you want. I chose the maximum amount, as you saw at the beginning of the video. So right now I'm just demonstrating and going through the process so you can see how easy it is. Basically just follow the on-screen instructions. Right now click verify. And again follow the on-screen instructions. As you can see, you have to download and install one or two apps. I will choose Lord's Mobile because I already have it installed. So in my case I just have to open it. You will have to download and install maybe this app, maybe another one. And after you install it and open it, just play for around 30 seconds, 1 minute. Then check back to your Sims game to see the resources being added. So just in case it doesn't work, follow the instructions and download and install the second app and it will definitely work. Also make sure to play it and play around in the game for around 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute. So that's about it. This is as easy as it gets. Enjoy!